Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to handle payment issues with Kabbage. Whether it's a missed payment, a double charge, or your auto debit didn't go through, the first thing to do of course is to log into your dashboard and review your payment history. And if the issue involves a failed payment, you want to check your linked bank account balance. You may need to manually retry the payment once your funds are available. And if you notice a duplicate or incorrect charge, you want to contact Kabbage support, and you're going to need to provide your account details, a screenshot or statement showing the error, as well as a brief explanation of exactly what happened. Now, Kabbage will investigate and provide a resolution. This could include a refund or credit to your account. To avoid future charges, you want to ensure that your bank account stays connected and funded before each due date. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least, to some extent. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.